Kelsey-Seybold Clinic is a healthcare organization in Houston, Texas. It's a managed care organization, and it's one of the first managed care organizations in the Houston area. So we have everything from internal medicine to cardiologists, all of your basic specialties involved, but the doctors have relationships with each other and are able to coordinate with each other, and all the departments are within the same umbrella. So it's a model basically that helps keep down the cost of healthcare. The IT organization supports the business and providing all the IT services for the clinic. A few years ago, we went through an electronic medical record upgrade. So the IT department supports that electronic medical record systems. All of the email, the interfaces to the medical equipment. Pretty much every machine has some kind of IT interface to it or from it. So our part in this is to manage those systems, make sure that they're online when they need to be online, get things serviced when they need to be serviced, which has made the IT department become far more important. The service management solution supports the efforts in being the first point of contact to the IT department. So everything is funneled through the service desk team. When I joined the organization, we were on version 6. We moved to version 11, but we pretty much just carried over all the old stuff. So we had a very high-end system, but we weren't utilizing it to its full potential. We made the decision to upgrade to the newer version. One, because the product that we were on was nearing end of life. The primary reason, however, was to take advantage of new features that we saw in the new tools. One of the things that we wanted to take advantage of was how the notifications and where notifications kind of have progressed. The integration with the other applications was a big bonus for us because we do have ITCM. We use the remote control tools as well, so we wanted to be able to better integrate with that. Reporting was also a big thing. We were using the dashboard tool, which was a separate tool before. We were very interested in having reporting capabilities from within the tool, especially from a manager and director level. We engaged with the services to help look at where we were, and we had an idea where we wanted to go, but we were also looking to services to kind of check what our thinking was and offer additional ideas to us or show us a better way of what we might have been envisioning to do. We wanted that expert view, and we wanted to go with best practices, and we wanted an upgrade that would be more in line with what some other customers were doing, because that also makes it easier to upgrade in the future. We really look to the services organization and the architect to explain to us how do we get service desk manager and ITCM to talk together. And as we look forward to adding additional applications such as asset portfolio management, how do we design this so that we can bolt on the additional applications in the future? We had a very good project manager this time around. She was very thorough. She did a very good job of ensuring that she was in communication with us on a regular basis. We had a really good architect, and we had a really good consultant, and things were explained in lots of detail. And we had a good project plan for getting us from the development to testing and into our go live. The move to the new version has helped us in many ways. The primary way is what we have received in terms of improvements on our notifications. Notifications were a really big deal within our IT department, and this solution got us to where we could give everybody what they want. The teams who want notifications for everything could have that, but teams who touched a lot of tickets would only get certain notifications. Another thing that was really good for us is that we were also able to make some minor modifications just with the screens to help us with our change management process, and we were able to move away from SharePoint logs and maintain all of our change management information in Service Desk. So there's lots of things that we've really been able to benefit from. As for where we're headed, we'll be using CA services the most in bringing in asset portfolio management and software compliance manager. From a license compliance standpoint, ensuring that we're utilizing our licenses where they need to be utilized and that we're looking at things such as usage so that we can remove licenses for software that's not being used. We're going to be working with CA services to help us best design those new tools and help us find the right scope so that we are starting out with the right amount of items, assets, and licenses that we want to manage, and we grow into it and not taking on too much at one time.